Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin getting a lot of listening this year. Now, Binance US are planning to list this coin, and I also believe that Robinhood listening is going to become the biggest listening in the USA. Now, remember, America love Robinhood. Of course, we all know that Binance US are also doing well because they are among the top crypto exchanges with the highest caps. And one thing you need to understand is that I believe Robinhood listening to Terra Classic is definitely going to help this coin to really grow. So many people have already been mounting pressure on Robinhood to list this coin. Now, Binance US are also working on listing Terra Classic coin. Of course, I knew that Binance US will soon be listing this coin, especially this year, 2023, because when we talk about the Binance founder CZ has been supporting this coin, and we know Binance have already listed this coin. They are burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Now, I will also believe that the Binance US will also be accepting this coin because the founder CZ is fully behind supporting Terra Classic coin. Although we all know that Robinhood also will be listing this coin any moment from now, but I believe Robinhood listening is going to be one of the biggest listening for Terra Classic coin. We all know that Binance have been burning billions of Terra Classic coin, and I also believe Binance US also will be supporting the burning. But Robinhood also, I hope they also accept the 1.2% tax bond, which will help Terra Classic coin to burn a lot of coins. Now, with Binance US, with Robinhood, with Coinbase, Terra Classic can really hit a massive increase in price this year. I mean, hitting 1 penny, 1 cent is possible, and we all know that Terra Classic hitting 1 cent simply means they need to delete about 2 zeros. At the time of recording this, Terra Classic is still trading with about 3 zeros. Now, deleting 2 zeros is possible. We all know as of last year, within the space of 3 months, Terra Classic was able to burn about 37 billion coins and almost 38 billion coins. And just recently, Kucoin have actually staked about 200 and I think Kucoin there about 48 billion coins. Yes, that is a lot of money, and I also believe many exchanges will be coming in to support the burning and also the staking. The staking is about 940 billion Terra Classic LUSD has been staked, and most of this is coming from Binance. And I believe this year Terra Classic hitting 1 cent, 1 penny is already getting possible. And let's hope that Robinhood, Binance US, Coinbase will be coming in. And remember that this time I've already listed this coin just now, and I believe more exchanges will be coming. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.